Hi, my name is Russ, and I want to show you this cool script I used ChatGPT to create. It'll download any YouTube video. I just have to give it the YouTube link. And I've got this panel that I can give the QR code or just send the URL to my friends or whatever. And if I make it public by checking this checkbox, then they can access it from their phone using an app that kind of looks like this. They can just run, click that button and then paste in the URL. And in a minute, this let me think, this script is going to run in the background and start creating these files. This file here is just the debug log. It kind of shows you what's going on. It's just because it's nice to know, because you can't really see the whole thing going. But this is what it looks like. It's currently merging the files together. Because you'll see in a minute, I'll just have I'm hitting refresh, but you'll see in a minute that I'll just have the one video file that's currently growing, as you can see, and I'll have this JSON file, which it's already downloaded, so I can show it to you right now. If I double click it, it should open up in VS Code, and you can see, at the top it's got the title and the ID, and somewhere in here there's the notes for the YouTube video and just a bunch of information about it. Well, and here's the the batch script that I'm running from my TRIGGERcmd command. But you can see, oops, I didn't mean to do that. You can see, hold on. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. But you can, here it is. You can see the Python script is here. And if you don't want the JSON file, you can just remove that chunk and it'll just do the download part. But anyway, now it's done, and you can see I've just got the video and the JSON file with the the metadata for it. I could double click it and
Hi, my name is Russ.
view the video file. So that's basically it. You don't have to make it public. It just could be for you, and you can access it via the TRIGGERcmd website or the app or the PWA progressive web app, which you can get to from that QR code that you give out, or the YouTube, or the you let me show you that again. The URL is what I'm trying to say. Here it is. Under configure, you can find the URL straight to the to that app, and then yeah, I just here when you go to it, and when you go to that URL, you basically get the app, but then you can open the app, and you can do that same thing on your phone. But that's the idea. You can click that and put in the YouTube video, and it'll download it on your computer. And I've got it set to this folder, but you set your folder in the batch file right here. Where you CD to the specific folder. The script, I tested the script on Linux too. It works there too, and so it should work fine on Mac. But you might need slight tweaks if you're going to use it with TRIGGErcmd, because you don't need to run the batch file. I mostly needed the batch file to go to the right folder and activate the virtual environment that has the this module installed, which you can install with what is it pip install ytdlp. All right, that's the general idea. I will link to the forum post in the YouTube notes. That's all. Thanks. Bye.